Do you snore like this guy? Apart from adverse health effects, snoring could cause major domestic issues. It can lead to scuffles with angry spouse. Snoring could ruin your marital bliss and destroy happiness. It could even lead to divorce and broken family. Let us first understand why people snore.
Occurs while sleeping and is one of the most annoying and prevalent phenomenon in the world today, affecting at least 30% of adults. But why do we snore? Snoring occurs when air can't freely move and is trapped in a person's airways while they are sleeping. This obstruction of air vibrates the tongue, upper throat, soft palate, uvula, adenoids, and tonsils, which creates that annoying noise we all know too well. But what makes these obstructions and blocks the air in the first place? Many things can cause snoring, but the most common are seasonal allergies that make the air passageway swell, a deviated septum, which means that the cartilage that separates your two nostrils is crooked, drinking alcohol, which can relax the muscles too much in your neck and block air movement, and being overweight, which causes passageways in your throat to become too narrow.
Here we are talking of a unique solution to your snoring problem. While sleeping, the soft tissue at the back of your throat collapses and blocks the passage. This causes snoring. What you need simply is an effective jaw supporter, like this. Supporting the lower jaw during sleep time keeps the airway open and free. Hence, no vibration. You say goodbye to snoring forever. By the way, Patch is only the product that works. Do not go after cheap anti-snoring stuff.
Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment to visit our website by clicking on the link below. We'll see you there.